Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are unboxing my Kinder Beauty box. Admittedly, like I mentioned, things are gonna be a little crazy the next month or so, and they were especially crazy this week for a plethora of reasons. One being that I got my second COVID vaccine shot and it knocked me the hell out for 2 days. So I've had this for a few days and could have filmed it, but didn't because I was just laying on the couch or in my bed doing nothing. So let's go ahead and unbox the Kinder Beauty box. So as per usual lately, we have the card telling you they don't send cards anymore. So let's go ahead and pull up this website to see the descriptions for the items that will be in my box. So Kinder Beauty. Okay, so I've got the website pulled up so I can give you the descriptions of all the products. The first one on top here is from Hair 101, or maybe it's from Recess. I don't know. They're called the hair blotters, and it's 25 charcoal papers. So I guess it's for if you have super greasy hair, you can blot your hair. Let's find the description of that. Okay, so the brand is Recess. Here's that looks like. And this is a $10 value. Dry shampoos can be great at preserving your hairstyle, but after a few days your scalp will start to feel like paper mache. Skip the spritz and instead treat your scalp like your face full of makeup on a hot day and blot. Recess biodegradable hair blotters are made with non-toxic hemp and charcoal that will help deodorize and absorb oil. Throw these in your bag for after a workout, a long day outside in the sun, or for freshening up before a big presentation. So my hair is really curly and really dry, and especially if I'm not super active, I can go like 10 days at the most without even getting greasy. So I'm gonna have to give these away to someone else. It's an interesting idea. I don't know how well it's gonna actually work in practice, like blotting your head. I guess it makes sense, but yeah, these are gonna go to someone else because I will never use these. Next item we've got here is from Oh My Garden. It is a plant-based sustainable hair care, tea tree and grapefruit hydrating shampoo bar. So in another box, I just got a conditioner bar, so that's kind of cool. I now have a shampoo and a conditioner. Smells fantastic. So let's read the description on that one. So like I said, from Oh My Garden, the tea tree and grapefruit shampoo bar. It is a $13.22 value. It's time to ditch your plastic shampoo bottles and upgrade to a shampoo bar. We at Kinder Beauty love this one in particular because it's gentle on all hair types, even color-treated hair, and is pH balanced. Use this bar to protect your color, repair damage and dry hair, and give your beautiful mane its very own spring cleaning. Pro tip, cut the bar in half-inch slices so you don't expose the entire bar to water all at once. This will help preserve the bar. And if that's a tip they're giving, then why isn't the bar sold in half-inch cubes? Save us as the consumer some of the work and keep us from having to clean waxy soap bar off of our knives. Anyway, kind of a cool thing. Also something I've really never used, so I'm interested to give this a try. And when I do, you will hear all about it in my empties. So kind of excited about that one. Next we have from Inkling Scents. So I've now had 3 Inkling Scents then. One that I liked the smell of but gave away. I don't remember the name of that one. Gossamer maybe? Or maybe I have Gossamer and I'm using it. But there's one that I'm kind of using on and off with another thing right now, which is really nice. And then this scent is called Embody. So let's open it up. I'm gonna go through their whole collection of scents by the time I'm done going through like these subscription boxes. So let's roll it on. It's nice. It's light and refreshing. It kind of reminds me of like, this reminds me of something in childhood, like someone's shampoo or something. So it's a nice scent and a really nice, decent size. So this is a $25 value, which is a really nice, expensive thing to get in the box. And it says, no one wants to be the person who leaves a cloud of toxic fragrance behind them in the elevator. Instead, those near you should only be able to detect an inkling. Oh, that's why it's their name. That's funny. I like that. An inkling of your scent. Say goodbye to braving the fragrance aisle at the department store looking for one clean option, as we've partnered with Inkling Scents, a brand that makes hand-filled and all-natural oil perfumes harvested from their on-site organic garden. That's really cool. This box will feature Embody, a sweet feminine combination of bergamot, mandarin, Madonna Lily, jasmine, and vetiver. So that's really cool. On first application, I really like this. I'll have to give it a more thorough testing later on to see if it's something that I can wear without it bothering my sinuses and stuff, but like this smells really good. So that's a really exciting one. This is all dusty from the packaging. Let me wipe this off. From Bella Pierre Cosmetics, this is Earth. So let me figure out what kind of product this is, but here's the label. Let's see. Bella Pierre, where are you? So this is a shimmer powder in the color Earth. It's a $15 value, so another really good value. Did I say how much the shampoo bar was? Yes, $13.22. Okay. So the description of the Bella Pierre shimmer powder is: clean beauty lovers will fall head over heels for these shimmer powders by Bella Pierre, as they are made of 100% mica. Experience a buildable, elegant shimmer in a springtime shade called Earth, which is a beautiful peach tan blend. All shimmer powders are 100% hypoallergenic and suitable for all skin types. So I don't really get what the shimmer powder is for. I guess you could use it on eyes or face. But it does look like a really pretty, almost like rose gold shade. Let me see if I can get the little sealer bit off. It's always hard to get them off in these type of containers with the sifters on top. Yes, there we go. And I'll get a little and try to do a swatch. Oh, that is strong. You'd have to be very careful if you were putting that on your face, but that would be gorgeous on the eye. Really pretty. And that would probably be a really nice color to pair with the copper color from Medusa's makeup that they sent in a box recently. So, really pretty. I mean, you could definitely use it on your face. I would say you need a deeper skin tone to use it on your face as like a shimmer, as a highlight, but that would be really pretty on the eye. So another item I'm quite pleased with because that color is gorgeous. This would be a really nice one color eye as well. There is one last product in the box, so I'm already happy that we got 5, which I love. I love when there's 5 over 4. I think most of the time they aim for 5 in this one. And it is from Derma E. It's a hydrating night cream with hyaluronic acid and green tea. Here's the box. I think I might have one of these already in my cabinet, which, I mean, if I kept it, that means it must have good ingredients, which means I'm happy to have another one. So here's what the tub looks like. And let me read you the description. A $29.50 value, which means this box has a really great value. It is, let's read, get your skin into tip-top shape while you sleep with Derma E's Hydrating Night Cream. With this dream cream rich in hyaluronic acid, you can plump your skin, reduce the appearance of dry patches and fine lines, and help your complexion glow up before you get up. So that's cute. Are the ingredients on here? I'm pretty sure I already have one of these. So it looks like the last ingredient is natural fragrant oils, but it's the very last ingredient, so that's not terrible. Yeah, cool. I think this is probably something I'll actually use since it seems like that natural fragrant oil is the very, very, very last ingredient, and it doesn't seem like there's anything else bad in here, at least to my knowledge. So that's pretty cool. 4 out of 5, not bad. And I'm not even like disappointed with this because it's probably not a bad product. It's just not something I specifically will use. So I'm pretty pleased with this Kinder Beauty box. I think it was quite a win. So if you get the Kinder Beauty box, I'd love to know what you thought about this month's box. Is this the one you got, or did you get the other one? Because I know they've been doing 2 selections of boxes recently. So let me know. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will do my best to link to what I'm wearing down below if it's still available. And yeah, otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye.